Hi, my name is Rebekah Andress and my birthday is July 8th, 2003. My dream school is Boston University, but I have to stay in state, so I'll probably go to Georgia State University and major in criminal justice. This is my family, my mom, Tammy, my dad, Kiffer, and my two sisters, Hannah and Rachel. When I was 6, we moved to Jordan for 3 years and traveled to 17 different countries. So this is us in Egypt in front of the pyramids, in the Maldives, and with an Iraqi prince. These are my two sisters and I at the beach in Cyprus. My older sister Hannah is 20. She goes to American University in DC and works for the Secret Service at the White House. And my younger sister Rachel is 15 and is a sophomore at Lassiter. We have 3 pets. My dog Caesar is about 5 years old, we think, and is pit bull, boxer, and pointer. My dog Brutus is 4 and is a Catahoula pit bull mix, and our cat BB we think is 8. We're not really sure what kind she is, but we brought her back from Jordan with us. So I've been swimming since I was 4, but joined Stingrays in 4th grade and recently quit last year to get a job. And I started actually coaching for Stingrays, coaching the elementary and middle school kids. And I've been doing that since November of 2019. Over the summer, I stayed very busy with 4 jobs, giving private swim lessons, nannying for 2 different families, lifeguarding, and coaching. This year, I would like to research sex trafficking rehabilitation, specifically the mental, emotional, and physical trauma victims go through and how they move on from that. And then also the government involvement in their response to sex trafficking and how they help victims. And that's all. Thank you.